If you'd like to see how I created this budget-friendly DIY birthday gift, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube! So I made some body butter and I got these really pretty pink little frosted jars from Amazon. I'll make sure I have a link where you can get these. And you know I've been doing these little jars for gifts to people. It's kind of a lot of work and it's not something I desire to sell, but I like to decorate the lids. Let me see yours right quick so I can show them what I've been doing. So this is an example of one that my daughter actually did this one, and I like them nice and junky. So for this one, I want this one to be a little more plain, and the person that it's for, she really likes orange. So I'm going to be using some orange rhinestones, and a wax pickup tool, and some liquid fusion glue. Okay, so first you'll start off with your sandpaper and just get it a little scruffy and just sand the lid. You don't have to do this. I think it should still be okay, but I did it. And I'm just adding on the glue, but before you do that, make sure you wipe it off with alcohol. Now I've added the glue. I'm using my wax pickup tool to add on these orange 5mm rhinestones. And I sped the video up, but I'm just gonna take my time, kind of line them up really good. I don't do a perfect brick lay. I try to get one started, but it kind of just ends up me fitting the rhinestones the best way that I can. Now I'm just going to go ahead and just space them out accordingly and just make them fit however they can. This orange is really pretty. And I'm almost finished on the sides here. Now I like this liquid fusion glue because it says that it's non-toxic and it has a very low, next to none smell. So that's a great thing. And then it also sticks very well to plastic and also glass. Now I'm just working my way to the top of the jar. This is a 4-ounce glass jar, if I didn't say that before, and I purchased these off Amazon. They're like a frosted pink, so that's why I bought them. I thought they were really cute. And if you'd like to know how I made the body butter, I do have a video. I should be able to link that in the description as to how I make the body butter. I did a video one time, but I didn't want to keep doing a video over and over because it gets very messy and time consuming. I just like to show myself decorating the jars. Now, this is probably one of the most toned down jars I've ever made. I love to make these. I don't sell them. They cannot be purchased. I will not ever probably sell them because it's very time consuming. They're just gifts. But people, like really special people, but people actually love these. I actually am gonna have another video coming soon. I made like a dozen more for the ladies that go to my church in the Sunday school class. We have a nice group of classy ladies, and I made them some and they were just so blown away. They said it only takes like a little bit of it and it goes really far. Very nice and smooth consistency, and they just love it. So I'm almost finished with this. This definitely doesn't take a long time at all. This is something that looks like it's very expensive, but it's not. And now I have a Dollar Tree, what is that? Maybe a 12 or 14 ounce coffee cup. And I used my Silhouette Cameo. I cut out quite a few words, and this was my first time using this orange. For whatever reason, it just acted like it didn't want to stick. Now, I already had wiped this glass off with some alcohol. So I don't know if the vinyl was just a little weak. Maybe it was that brand. I'm not sure what that was about. Maybe my hands could have been a little greasy. I don't know. But you definitely want to make sure the glass, the surface is nice and clean and smooth. So it says Love by Christ. The other things that I put on there, I think it said Woman of God. It didn't work out. So here is the final finished result. As you can see, I put the name on there, but it's crooked. And I probably was moving a little too fast. I didn't have time to correct it on video. I did this video 2 months ago. As far as I can remember, I think I peeled this off and put it back on. But this can happen if you don't take your time or line it up right. It's not that big of a deal. You just go ahead and scrape it off and put it back on. And here is how the coffee cup turned out. Very nice, super cute. And she absolutely loved it. And the fact that it had her favorite color on there, she was just so impressed. Absolutely impressed. And I really enjoyed making this DIY. I love making gifts for people. So this is a great, simple, and easy thing for you to do to make for someone. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it on Facebook. Thanks you guys so much for watching. And I just recently hit 25,000 subscribers. I'm super excited. Thank you guys so much for supporting this channel.
MyRoyalRadiance.com, and we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10 off. Check out our website, crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers.
Also remember, you can follow me on TikTok and Instagram at Life is a Whole Vibe. Bye-bye.